A devastating fire broke out on Sunday at the girls' hostel of Dasharath Deb Memorial Residential Higher Secondary School in Sabroom, destroying vital belongings and educational materials of the resident students. While no casualties were reported, the incident has left students, many of whom are preparing for upcoming board exams, in a state of deep distress. According to preliminary reports, the fire originated from an electrical short circuit in one of the hostel rooms. As it was a Sunday, the students were in a relaxed holiday mood when the sudden blaze triggered widespread panic. The fire spread with such speed that the students had no time to salvage their belongings. Within minutes, precious textbooks, exercise copies, clothing and other essential items were reduced to ashes.
একটু আগে আমরা এখানে একটা কল গেছে ডিডিএমআর এসটি গার্লস স্কুলের থেকে, তো তারা হোস্টেলে বলে একটা শর্ট সার্কিট আগুন লাগবে। তো আমরা আগুনটা পাইছি দুতলার মধ্যে, তারপরে আমরা এসে আগুনটা নিয়ন্ত্রণে আনছি আর কি।
Pure report, Chini Khorang.